nationwide footprint is a big benefit for our customer. Also gives us a broad range of capability. In our platform, we have everything from micro to massive, with facilities specializing in certain sizes and certain technologies to produce all requirements for our customer. Align has a strong heritage. We acquire facilities as well as grow organically. The facilities that we acquire are very mature, many facilities more than 40 years old. Through reinvestment and the strength of the people, we really stay cutting edge with a strong base of knowledge. The future for Align is bright. We are a growing company, expanding our footprint, expanding our services, expanding our capability so that we can grow with the needs of our customers.